Thursday. And we have all the babies in here. Hello, darling. Whoopa. Hello. Hello, my darling. Oh. What's wrong with your eye? Get off. What's wrong with your eye, darling? What's wrong with your eye? Come here. What's wrong with you? Come here, darling. What's wrong with your little eye? What's wrong with your eye, darling? Hey? Why can't you have it? Oh, get off! Get off! Oh, it's okay. I think he was just asleep. His eye's open. The eye is open now, so it's all okay. You must have been just sound asleep, were you, my darling? So here's family number 1. Family number 6. Limoncello and Jack. And look, I still don't know what colour these are going to be. They're mainly white, which is amazing. But they will be getting some other colour soon. Here's baby number 2 and number 3. Look at you. And we're all in our nursery whilst I clean your nest. Because you do a lot of poopy doops. Because that's all you do is eat, sleep and poop. And grow. Right? Yes, you do. And you want to get out. You're going to be flying soon. Aren't you? Yes, you are. Okay. 9th of March, sorry. 2023. I'm going to put them over there. Right, so the oldest one is finding its feet, and I think it's going to fly at some point. Any minute it's going to try to fly, aren't you, my darling? Got out of the nursery. I had to put the lid back on because we're all trying to escape. And Mum is watching over because we haven't started flying yet. So between us, we're watching to make sure little one doesn't make a mistake. Right, darling? You just flew into the nest. Yes, you did. Clever you. I saw you flapped a couple of times. So proud of yourself, aren't you? You made it into your nest. You're so happy. Yay. You're going to be flying very soon. If it's not today, it'll be tomorrow. Is that right? Well, that's just adorable. Look at you snuggling up together in the corner. The big sibling. That is just too cute. Hey, look at you. Gotta come out of the nursery and go back into your clean nest, alright? Could put you in there. Okay, 9th. Now we're at nest number 2. Sheila and Prince. Hello, darling. Let's see your little dudders. Oh, hello, babies. Oh, look at the dudder. Oh, look how big you are. You're all getting dark like your mama. You got your mummy's colourings. Happy Thursday. Should I have a clean out? Hey? Yeah, Sheila, she's not happy. She's cross. It's alright, I'm going to shut the door down now. You go, it's your babies, there you go. Okay, so, last but definitely not least, we have Charlotte and Sparkles. And their little ones. I can't get the door open. Here we go. Charlotte and Sparkle's little ones. Hello, darlings. Hello, little ones. How are we doing? I see 1, 2, 3. Do I see 4? I hope so. Look at you in your little poopy nest. Hello, Tweety Peas. I see 2 eggs. There's probably another one. But we'll see. Oh, look, loving his yawn. Hello, sweeties. Right, go get you out of there and clean up that mess. All right, darlings? Okay? Happy Thursday. Oh, look at that mess. All right, darlings, you all cuddled together. Yeah, I've just lifted up the second baby, and they've got 5. There's this little one right there. Look at you, gorgeous. You've got another baby. There's 5. Congratulations, Charlotte. Congratulations, Mum. Congratulations, Dad. Baby number 5. Oh, look. We've got another baby. Oh. Look at you. And you've got a little bit. You've got beautiful spinach inside your tummy. Look at you, gorgeous. Baby number 5 for Sparkles and Charlotte. Born on the 9th of March. And then we got your your big siblings. Little siblings. Doodle boo boo. Look at you. And you're making a little noise. Yeah, look at you, sleeping. And we got that horribly poopy nest. Look at that. I'm going to have to clean that up. That's going to look lovely when I finish with it. Congratulations. Okay, look at you all. You're all squirmy. You've got your spinach in there. Okay, I'm going to tuck you up. whilst I clean your nest. Look at that teeny weeny little adorable thing just born today. What a gem. This is the big sibling and the 3 others. Here we go, this gorgeous creature, 29 days old, almost ready to fly. You're almost ready, darling. Yes, you are. You're almost ready. Not quite. What's up, Limoncello? Is there something going on down the below? Oh, strong. Little one, just born on the left. So adorable. Got lots of nesting all over my jumper. Having a good time with the oldest one. It hasn't flown yet. It's just on the verge of going, taking flight. It's beautiful blue tipped tail there, like your dad. Gorgeous greeny blue. Beautiful combo. Hello, Dad, you getting ready? Are you? And Mum has got much more. Limoncello's got much more relaxed with me. What are you doing? Yeah, hello, Limoncello. You going in there now? You go in. Should we say good night to everybody? No, night, everybody. I've got to get going now. Have a good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Look at you. You're almost ready to take flight. Yes, you are.